Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look, which is a super easy for beginners eyeshadow look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly I'm going in with the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser Concealer, and I've just started placing that all over my lid. Once I did that, I just went ahead and blended that in. Then using the Be Perfect Carnival palette, I'm going in with a fluffy brush, and I just picked up this brownie shade and I just started working it into my crease with circular motions. Just keep blending. This is the base of everything we're going to do, so just keep trusting the process and blend, blend, blend. When you've finished blending on the crease, you just want to buff the remainder of product into the shape you want. I'm exaggerating my crease by taking it a little bit further than my eyelid. Now going back into the Carnival palette, I've picked up this darker brown shade and just started buffing that into my crease. I mainly focused in a backwards C shape on the outer corner of my eye. That gives it a nice gradient effect. Now going in with a flat brush, I'm picking up this gorgeous brown shimmer shade and I've just started placing it into the centre of my lid. Now picking up your favourite liner, I'm using the BFF Colourpop liner. You just want to start marking out the shape of liner you want. If you rest your hand on your cheek, it will give you a stable base. Once you have the outline that you want, you just want to go ahead and fill that all in. Now you want to grab your favourite highlighter and just put it on the inner corner of your eye. This just brightens everything up and makes your eyes pop. Then you want to add some mascara. I'm using the Bourjois mascara and I just started placing that all over my lashes. I also decided to add some fake lashes, but this is completely optional and not essential. Lastly, I'm using the Primark matte lipstick, which I love, and I just went ahead and put that on. And finally, I'm just setting my face with the Rude setting spray. And that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.